Hi, everyone. With St. Patrick's Day right around the corner, I thought I'd share a couple of my favorite drinks. Today we have Snakebite and Snakebite in Black. There are only a couple of ingredients, super easy to make, so let's do it. So, first up, get your favorite beer, fill up your glass about halfway. Be sure not to tilt your glass so you get lots and lots of head because that's convenient. Now pour the same amount of your favorite hard cider. Be sure not to tilt the glass again so you get a crazy amount of head. It's super inconvenient, and I'm sure there's some way you'll figure out how to fix it. I don't know why I just did that, and it didn't even work. You're welcome. Well, so now that we got it all topped off, this is officially a snake bite. Ta-da! But hold up, we still have to make it snake bite in black. But this is part one. So finally, we're going to add Ribena. Ribena is a black currant concentrate, typically found in the UK, but you can get it online easily. Otherwise, we have Tirani in the United States. That works beautifully. And just pour about a shot glass on top, and you're good to go. So the balance between the bitterness of the beer and the sweetness of the cider makes it super, super tasty. It's got a complex flavor that's very, very satisfying. I hope you enjoy. So let me get out of here. Thank you so much for spending time with me. Please like and subscribe. Until next time, happy St. Patrick's Day.